Imagine being able to invest in US stocks, Nigerian stocks, and money market instruments right on your mobile phone from the comfort of your home. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 investment apps that will make it easier for you to start investing. So whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to level up your investment strategy, these apps have everything that you need. The apps will allow you to invest in global stocks, Nigerian stocks, and even build a solid savings plan. Personally, I believe that investing doesn't have to be complicated. That is why in the next few minutes, I will show you 3 investment apps that will make it super easy for you to invest. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Funsho and I welcome you to my channel. Here, we discuss personal finance and investment strategies to multiply your income and grow your wealth. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always taking your time to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. Now, let us get into the conversation for today. The first app I'll be discussing today is Bamboo app. Bamboo is one of the most popular investment apps in Nigeria with over 1 million downloads from Google Play Store. This means that over 1 million people currently use and trust this app. So if you are looking for a reliable app that will give you peace of mind, Bamboo is one of the best options for you. If you are looking for access to international stocks and you want to buy fractional shares of major companies while still investing in Nigerian stocks, treasury bills, and fixed returns investments, Bamboo is one of the best options for you. Bamboo makes it super easy to invest in the US stock market. You can purchase shares of companies like Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Microsoft, and other top global stocks. And you don't need huge budgets to actually purchase the shares. Bamboo offers fractional shares, so you don't have to buy an entire share. For example, if a share of Apple costs $140 and you want to invest $70, you can actually buy half a share. Bamboo also makes it super easy for you to invest in Nigerian stocks by giving you access to purchase shares of companies like Dangote Cement, Access Holdings, Airtel, and a host of other companies. It allows you to invest in treasury bills, considered to be one of the safest forms of investments. Treasury bills generally have a maturity period of 90 and 180 days. Setting up the Bamboo app is straightforward. All you need is a smartphone and internet access. Once you are set up, you will have access to the US and Nigerian stock markets. Bamboo's interface is sleek and easy to navigate. This makes it super perfect for beginners. So if you are new to investing, the app also provides you educational resources that explains the basics of stock trading, asset allocation, and market trends. Now let's talk about the pros of Bamboo. First off, it's beginner friendly and allows you access to US stocks without needing a large sum of money. Plus, it's super simple to set up automatic deposits so you can make regular investments and build your portfolio over time. But there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Bamboo charges a fee on trades, which is relatively low, but it can add up if you are making frequent trades. If you are interested in diversifying your portfolio with international stocks and you don't have huge amounts of capital to invest, Bamboo is an excellent choice for you. If you are enjoying this video, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you will never miss any videos from me again. The second app I will be discussing today is PiggyVest. PiggyVest is one of the most popular investment and savings apps in Nigeria. It also has over 1 million downloads from the Google Play Store. This means that over 1 million people trust and use this app. So if you are looking for a reliable app that will give you peace of mind, PiggyVest is one of the best choices. PiggyVest is perfect if you are looking to grow your savings with a mix of safe and higher yielding investment options. PiggyVest offers a variety of investment products including target savings, flexible savings, and fixed investments. These options allow you to set savings goal and earn interest on your money ranging from 5% to 35% annually, depending on the investment type you choose. One of the standout features of PiggyVest is its target savings feature, where you can set specific financial goals, whether it's savings for a vacation, a new gadget, or even buying a house. PiggyVest automatically deducts funds from your account based on your target goal and time frame. It's simple and hassle-free. The flexible saving feature allows you to save money in naira or dollar and build your emergency fund. And the good thing is that you will earn interest of 20% per annum on any amount you save there. And whenever you need to withdraw your money or transfer it to your regular bank account, you will not pay any withdrawal or transfer fees. It also has a safe lock feature, which helps you to keep your savings locked away and secured for a period to prevent any temptation to withdraw early. This feature is great for disciplined savers who are looking for structure. The feature allows you to lock your savings for 30 days, 90 days, 120 days, or 365 days. And the good thing is that you will earn between 14 to 20% per annum on your money. If you are more of a conservative investor and you prefer a safer, predictable return, PiggyVest fixed investments is a perfect one for you. This option locks in your savings for 30, 60, and 90 days and gives you a fixed interest rate that is typically higher than traditional savings accounts. At the time of doing this video, there is currently no active investments. While PiggyVest is a fantastic savings app, it's not ideal for those who are looking to directly trade stocks or invest in high growth assets. So if you are interested in stock market investing, you will need to try apps like Bamboo or Optimus. However, if you want a simple way to save and earn decent returns with minimal risks, PiggyVest is a solid choice for you. If you are enjoying this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you will never miss any video from me. Last but definitely not the least is Optimus. Like Bamboo, Optimus also gives you access to the US stocks and allows you to start investing in top US companies like Amazon, Nike, Tesla, Netflix, and more. And you can start with as little as $1 when you buy fractional shares of these companies. Optimus is owned by AfriInvest, and they have another app called AfriInvestor that allows you to invest in companies listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Optimus also offers a variety of Naira and Dollar mutual funds, so you can easily diversify your portfolio without having to pick individual stocks. One of the key features of Optimus is its automated investment plans. You can set up recurring deposits, allowing you to invest in Nigerian stocks and mutual funds on a regular basis. This is perfect for people who want to diversify their account and grow their wealth over time. Optimus also provides detailed analytics and real-time market updates, so you will always know how your investments are performing. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, you will appreciate the transparency and control the app provides. The major advantage of Optimus includes its access to US stock and mutual funds available on the platform. Also, its fees are quite low and the app is user-friendly. So it's a solid choice if you are looking to invest globally and locally. So I've shown you 3 amazing apps that will help ease your investment journey. So whether you want to invest in international stocks, Nigerian companies, or simply grow your savings, there's an app here for you. So don't wait for the perfect moment to start investing. Download one of these apps today. Start small and let your money work for you. Let me know in the comments which of this app you already use. Which of them is easiest to use? Chat with me in the comments and I will personally respond to your chats. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tips on investing in Nigeria like this. Also, watch one of the 2 videos on the screen for more investment tips. Thank you for watching.